So this is the Vintage Coach Terrace Bag, style number 4117. This bag was made in the US in 1997, and as you can see, it's in the color Periwinkle. So in my opinion, this bag's on the smaller side, and it has two top handles, as you can see, and it has a snap magnetic closure up top. And it also comes with the matching two-sided hang tag. So it says Coach on both sides of the hang tag. And this one comes with nickel hardware. So the front and back of the bag are pretty much identical. Here's what the sides look like, and here's the back as well. And then I'll open the bag and show you the inside pockets. So this one has two hanging inside pockets. The first one has a zip closure up top, and the creed is also on the pocket. Here's a close-up so you can see the creed a little bit better. And then the second, here's the inside of the pocket, and then the second pocket is just a regular hanging pocket. So that is the beautiful Terrace Bag style 4117, and this bag is available now in our online store, so I will leave the link below in case you wanted to check it out further. But otherwise, thanks for watching, take care, and see you next time.